Hello, welcome to my channel Kavita Mardekar's Crochet and More. We are making today this flower. For that, we have to work only in back loop and single crochet. Single crochet in the back loop. After finishing that row, we have to join these two petals for that. Insert the hook in the back loop of the petal towards you and in the front loop of next petal, and grab the yarn and pull through like a slip stitch. Again, insert the hook in the back loop and in the front loop of the next, like this. Grab the yarn and pull like a slip stitch. To join these two petals together, we need almost 10 to 12 stitches in this same manner, like this. So this is how I am going to join this up to the 10 stitches or 12 stitches, and then finish this row and show you how to start the new petal. So this is how join the petal and then continue this row and finish here. Now complete this row with single crochet in back loop only. So we have 4 chain here on the tip of the petal, flower petal. We will make 4 single crochet in this. This is the last row of our petal, so we are making 4 single crochet in that chain part only. And now again finish this row with single crochet in the back loop. Like this. So here this is the last 2 single crochets in the back loop, and this row is completed now. Now I will start a new petal like this. So for new petal, just make total 15 chain. I want some 15 chain here to start the petal. So I'll start 15 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So after making 15 chain, in the very skip the first chain, and in the second chain we will make a single crochet, and 5 more. So we have total 6 single crochet here on the chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6. Like this, we have 6 single crochet, then 1 turning chain, and turn the work, and in the back loop from the first single crochet we will make single crochets again. Six. Here we will make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now on this side of the previous chain row we will work on this another side of the chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now after working on the both side of the chain, we will add one more on this side. So we will make one more single crochet in that chain, and then again we will make a turning chain and turn the work and work in the back loop single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So here we have this 4 chain part. So we will make 2 single crochet in that chain part, 1 and 2. After 2 single crochets we will make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again 2 single crochet in that same chain part. So in this chain part we work 2 single crochet, 4 chain, and 2 single crochet. Now in the back loop of all the single crochet we will make single crochet. 1, 6. After that we have to make 1 single crochet in this last single crochet, like this here. Then we have to work in this chain, the last ring of the chain, last loop of the chain, a single crochet, then a single crochet, turn a chain and turning chain and turn the work, and we will work in all the single crochets here in back loop only. So I am working till this point and we will meet here. So here this is the last single crochet of this side, and now again we have 4 chain part, so we will make 2 single crochet, 4 chain and 2 single crochet in this chain part. Two single crochet, 4 chain and 2 single crochet. Now in the back loop, single crochets here until the last single crochet here. So we'll meet there. In this last stitch, a single crochet in the back loop, then we will make a single crochet here in this last previous row single crochet, insert the hook like this and pull through it, and we have a single crochet here. So now we will take one more chain from the chain part. So every time we will add one chain. This now a turning chain and turn the work and make single crochets here in all the stitches, but all the single crochets are in the back loop only. So I am completing this row here up to here, and we will meet here. Here in this 4 chain part, we will make 2 single crochet, 4 chain and 2 single crochet, and then we will make all these single crochets in the back loop only. So again in this last stitch, I will make a single crochet, and then work in that added chain part, which we in the starting of this row we have added one chain here, so we will work to end that here. Now we will add one more chain here. So every after one row we are going to add one chain, and we will work here and then go again on this side, but in back loop only, all the single crochets in the back loop only, and on the tip of that petal we will work 2 single crochet, chain and 2 single crochet. So this is how we are going to finish all these chains. After completing this row, we add one more chain here. So every time we will add a chain in the row, and we will work on both side of the leaf petal, and then again we reach here and we will add a chain here. So this is how we are using all these chains here. So this is how we have completed all these rows. And now joining part. For that, the same as in the first part of this video, I have shown. So insert the hook in the back loop of this working petal and front loop of the previous petal and pull through like a slip stitch. So this is how for 10 to 11 stitches we will join up to this part and finish the joining part of this flower, and then we will finish the whole row up to here. And next petal, for the next petal we will start with 15 chain again. So after completion of this joining part, we will work in this last petal in the back loop only. Single crochet in the back loop, in this last row we will make only 4 single crochet in this chain part. 1 2 3 and 4, and then again we will work a single crochet in the back loop till the end of the row. So here we will work a single crochet in the back loop. After making 5 or 6, here I am making only 3 petals, but after making 5 or 6 petals we can join this on this side, and we have to turn that work this side and insert the hook like this here and here and start the joining from the again like this. So this way we can complete this such flower. It looks beautiful. Thank you. 13, 14 and 15, and we will start again a new petal here. This way. So this is how the joining or adding a new petal we are doing this way and completing such flowers. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.